Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at MyTelemedicine, an online platform that connects patients with healthcare professionals. Located at www.mytelemedicine.com, this website offers a convenient way to access a range of medical services from the comfort of your own home. Whether you need a quick consultation, a prescription refill, or ongoing care for a chronic condition, MyTelemedicine aims to provide a comprehensive solution. Navigating the website is generally straightforward, allowing you to easily search for doctors based on specialty, location, and availability. Booking appointments is also relatively simple, with various time slots offered to accommodate busy schedules. While the specific services and features offered may vary depending on your location and insurance coverage, MyTelemedicine strives to make healthcare more accessible and affordable. The platform emphasizes patient convenience, offering a streamlined process from initial contact to follow-up care. While virtual healthcare is not a replacement for all in-person medical needs, it can be a valuable tool for managing many health concerns. For non-emergency situations, MyTelemedicine can offer a quicker and more cost-effective alternative to traditional doctor's visits. It's important to remember that, as with any telehealth service, it's essential to research and ensure it aligns with your individual healthcare needs and preferences. Factors such as insurance acceptance, doctor availability in your area, and the specific types of services offered should all be considered. MyTelemedicine represents just one option within the growing field of telehealth. Exploring the various platforms available can empower you to choose the service that best suits your individual circumstances and health goals. Ultimately, the decision to utilize a telemedicine platform should be a well-informed one, taking into account your specific needs and preferences. Remember to always consult with a medical professional for personalized advice regarding your health. For more information on MyTelemedicine, be sure to check out their website. Don't forget to explore the links in the description below for additional resources and details.